Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Purnia location. It is from Bihar. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like understand financial loan products and disbursement process for these ones and for the business lines, and responsible for file disbursement of secured or unsecured products, and deliver disbursement quality, maintain file hold as per agreed SLA, known loan documentation pre-sanction and post-sanction, and the candidates are responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly, and no collateral documents for LAP product, and same day file dispatch and QDP for files logged in within agreed cutoff time. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. And if you see the required qualifications and experience, like the candidate should be graduate with 1 to 2 years of work experience in loan operations, and computer proficiency, and flexible in terms of office timings, mortgage or personal or business loan disbursement experience is must. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager business loans in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the duties and responsibilities for this job role, like managing and supporting the effective deployment of team of sales professionals with respect to that geographical area, exploring new markets and in allocating resources to most profitable opportunities, and achieving sales targets and cross-selling insurance, creating a strong and compliant sales culture across the channel to drive acquisitions, profitability and employee development. And some more points are also mentioned here, you please check once. And coming to the required qualifications and experience required, like relevant sales experience in managing large scale channels in multiple market environments, and the candidate should have overall knowledge to source from salaries and loan business, and good communicational skills, analytical skills and channel management skills, and demonstrated success and achievement orientation, and excellent communication skills, strong PS for action and driving results in a high performance environment. These are some qualifications and experience for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sales manager agency emerging growth in Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Coming to the job role, like agency growth and development, ensures sustainable and profitable growth by managing both top line and bottom line, cascading the channel's strategy and key focus areas for the achievement of set goals, driving the team and setting clear targets to ensure recruitment, training and development of agents, and team motivation and relationship. And some more points are also mentioned here, you please check once. For more detailed information about this job role and to apply for this one, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for senior laboratory technician in Consum Industries Private Limited. And coming to the industry type, it will be a fertilizer manufacturing or agrochemicals, and the role will be a lab technician or lab assistant, and eligibility will be a BSc in agriculture or MSc chemistry. And coming to the key skills required, like perfect in all type of fertilizer testing, and salary will be 25k to 30k, and accommodation and food will be available by company. And coming to the employment, like it will be a full-time and permanent, and the job location will be also provided here. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening for network technician in Sai Educare Private Limited, and for this job role, graduation plus diploma in network field will be preferred, and the candidates should have a bike plus laptop and hybrid model work, and you will get training also from their side, and the salary will be 15k to 20k, and there are two vacancies are available for this job role. Next one, there is a job opening for store in charge in ARW Web Zone IT Services. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities, like staff should ensure to complete the project in the given time, and staff should ensure all the work is done properly, and filing and handling is also very important in accordance with company expectations. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the required experience and qualifications, like 10th pass and above, good in communication, freshers also eligible for this job role, and no experience is required. This is a full-time job opportunity, and the salary ranges from 12,000 to 15,000 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for female anchor in MS Digital Audio Lab, and it is a full-time job role, and the salary will be 3,000 per day. And coming to the benefits, like food allowance, and schedule will be day shift and night shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like overtime pay and performance bonus, and 1 year experience candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for junior admin. This is only for female candidates, and in Prabuddham Academy Private Limited. This is a full-time job role, and the salary will be 7,000 to 9,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like it is a flexible schedule and paid sick time and paid time off, and it will be day shift. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive in Maurya Agro Private Limited. This is a full-time job role, and coming to the salary, it will be from 8,000 plus to 31,000 plus per month, and it is a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like commission pay, and coming to the education required, like a bachelor's degree is preferred, and 1 year of experience of candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.